So basically, a case of cookies led me to this huge opportunity that's going to take my business to another level, y'all. So I'm literally turning into my first expo, which is going to host 300 plus realtors in my city. And so y'all remember that old video? One day I just had to go to network with some folks in my city, and coincidentally, I guess you could say, I stumbled across his office, became a vendor, heard about an opportunity to come to an expo. So that was like a month and a half ago. I was on a waiting list, a spot opened up, which I was grateful. And man, here I am. So I'm all set up. Thankfully, I'm like right in the beginning, or right in the front as soon as you come in. So I got time to spare, just, small talk with some of the people that's already here. But yeah, it's 8:45, the event started at 10, and looking forward to, excited. I'll give y'all some more footage. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, y'all, so here, a little bit of footage of me setting up. Mind you, this is my first expo, y'all, so like, had a little small budget and tried to make the best of what I had. And shout out to a friend of mine who I basically hired her as my like branding consultant or advisor. She gave me a lot of good ideas. Shout out to my wife as well. She helped. I didn't want to bug her, I was so excited, anxious, but both of those women really helped me out a lot to make it come together. Got my tablecloth, the yellow and the blue, basically my company colors. So I just wanted to stand out with that. Had a nice little poster board created. Had some before and after pictures. That was a good visual aid for me. And so again, I'm in the beginning, in the front of the hallway. So you got the registration table, and then you got my table. And so got a lot of traction. Got some cookies again. If you see it on the table next to that brown box, I'm gonna just keep the cookies, man. The cookies been a good luck charm for me. They flew through those things, man. And I'm gonna show y'all like a little close up. I had got like my logo made on some stickers, and I put those on the cookies. And they was flying through those cookies. Like folks wanted them chocolate chip, them white macadamia nuts, and all the other stuff. I actually did a giveaway for a cleaning for a listing, and that was a good way to get people's information. And here it is, y'all. The whole table to go to cookies. People, man, was on those things. And so this like a little shot of, coming into the building, where my table was positioned. There's a registration table, and there's my table right there, y'all. Again, a lot of traffic, met a lot of good people, a lot of connections, and following up, that's the next deal. And this kind of like the inside, it was Mardi Gras theme, so other vendors, set up shop. Those folks weren't there yet, or they didn't show. I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, I was just walking around in the beginning. Shout out to the caterer, good food, red beans and rice, hush puppies. I don't eat meat. I know that's random, but I don't eat meat. But what they had for the non-meat eaters like myself, really good food, really flavorful. And so yeah, I just stuck my head in. It's a great turnout. And here I am in action, y'all. Talking to some realtors, just showing them my work, and just letting them know I can add value to them. Like that's the biggest thing. I had to sell myself. Like literally had 200 plus conversations, y'all. I'm not even exaggerating. And every conversation I had to come with the energy. You know what I mean? My smile. My smile is one of my strengths. I appreciate my mama. You know what I mean? Genetics, but anyway, I just want to make them feel comfortable and let them know how I can serve them and connect with them. And so it's just a little footage of me talking to some of the realtors who stopped at my table, and they had like a little giveaway, door prizes. So, you had to get your name marked off. So that forced people to stop by your table. And when they came, I just seized the opportunity. So there I am, signing my name on the paper so they can go about their way. And man, it was a good time, y'all. Good people, good energy, good vibes, all that good stuff. Definitely was grateful. It was think it was, 4 hours long. I stood up because I was locked in, y'all. And here got a little recap about my time. What's up, y'all? So realize I ain't do a recap. I just got home not too long ago, picking up my kids from camp, getting them some dinner. But man, the expo went really well, man. Like better than I expected. Met hundreds of people, mostly realtors. And one little hiccup, I had ordered some flyers, some new flyers, updated like 4x6 flyers, and I ordered some more business cards. And I put a rush on it, and it was supposed to get here yesterday, as I'm recording this, but it was a delay, and it didn't get here until literally 5 minutes when I pulled up from getting my kids. And stuff happens. I am gonna press them for a refund because I paid for a rush and they did not deliver, pun intended. But I made it work, man. You know what I mean? But next year, just know I gotta triple my supplies, my materials, making sure I got enough cards and things of that nature.
Yeah.
There's my son. What's up?
Can I get the last two? Like, there's one. Can I get one of the two slices?
Yes. So real time, not editing it out. That's fatherhood, y'all. So anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm about to wrap up. So hopefully you enjoyed the recap. Again, this is something I'm just trying to connect, be creative, network with people, and to see, man, what can come about, how this is gonna help my business. So appreciate y'all for watching. Till next time, take care.